Menu needs to be practical. Practical. And stick to your budget as well. I don't want anyone getting so lavish. This is not a 7-star hotel. Nah. You need to focus on practical things. Tell me, how are you going to cut that watermelon? Yes, where is the knife? Do we have it with us on this trip?
No.
Then in that case, it's not practical. Practical people, practical things. It better be very practical.
We forgot to get supper things, but can we get them now since we forgot?
You can get them now if you wish, but it better be relevant.
Hot chocolate and like marshmallows.
Okay, but they have to be mindful of dairy-free people as well. And lactose, yes? Come on.
Did you know like 7 grapes has more sugar than it?
Are we going? Okay, looking very practical.
Cherries.
Yes. How many people eat cherries and how much does it cost? Have you done your budget? No, no one is budgeting. Right. You don't go around spending for spending's sake. Do you understand that part? Do you know? Okay. Can any one of you tell me how much this costs right now without looking at it? Precisely. You're just grabbing. Look at the pricing as well. You're here to learn how to budget. Don't just grab. Check the pricing and then ask yourself, is it enough to feed all 18 of you? If not, then you're budgeting poorly. There will not be enough food. Start again. How are we doing? Now, okay, let's come back to you. Can someone tell me how much this costs without even looking at it?
14.
Would that feed everyone?
14.
Is it practical? If it's not, then return it. You don't just grab because you can just grab it. You have to think about feeding everyone, not just yourself, not just your needs. You're feeding everybody else's needs. You're getting food to feed everyone, not what you want. You understand? Practical.
Hi, Katie.
Am I too hard? They gotta learn. Yeah, they gotta learn. Sometime they'll grow up. They have to learn about budgeting. They have to learn about focusing on not just themselves but their family as well, and looking at the number of people in the family and try and focus on healthy things and feed their entire family, not just their desires and their fancy needs. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Yeah. 4. Who's dinner?
We're doing wraps for dinner.
All right, wraps for dinner.
And we want to put mince in.
Mint. Oh, mint is fine. Get for 18 people. Now, I'm glad there are 2 groups here. Have any of you groups considered this?
No.
Stop. Well, you missed it completely, and you're focusing on things like those kind of fancy things. But enough of this can feed everyone. Those are energy bars, and the nutrients are great. It will maintain the energy levels right through. Daniel, stop moving and focus. Do you understand? I need you to be practical. Think about why your parents put these kind of things in your lunch boxes. Yes. So let's go. Be practical. Go. Don't choose things you want. Choose things we need for everyone.